Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger active status. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If you're not being able to view the last active status of your Facebook friends, then follow the steps. Tap on the profile icon at the top left-hand corner of the screen. Now, go and tap on Active Status. Right where it says Show when you're active, enable the button. Now go back to your Messenger homepage. As you can see that you've now enabled the active status for yourself and your friends too on Messenger. If you're still not being able to solve the issue, then the next thing to do is to clear your Messenger data and sign in again to your account. Tap on the Settings button from your Android device and then from the Settings menu, select Apps. Search for Messenger from the list of the apps displayed on the screen. Give it a tap and now tap on Storage from the App Info page. Tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right hand corner. Tap on Clear Data at the lower left hand corner as well and tap on OK. But remember that you must know your credentials for your Messenger in order to get logged in to your Messenger account. Tap on OK and re-log into your Messenger by tapping on the Messenger icon from your app drawer. Enter your credentials correct and once logged in, try refreshing your chat screen and you'll be able to solve your issue. If it worked for you, then that's great. If it didn't, then the next thing to do is to check if you've downloaded the latest version of Facebook Messenger on your smartphone. Tap on the Play Store button and now in the search box, search for Messenger. If you see an open button popping up right next to Messenger, then that means you won't be needing to update your application right away. If you see an open button, skip this step. If you see an update button, tap on Update and once downloaded to the latest version of Facebook Messenger application, go back to your Messenger and see if that fixed your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you're not being able to view active status on Facebook Messenger. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.